Hey guys, this is Eyewear Shades, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Rayban RB 2140s. This style is called the original Wayfarer, and the color code we're going to be looking at today is going to be a 954. So yeah, let's get to it. Inside, the Rayban box, you will have a case, of course. These do come, like I've said before, in two different colors. It's going to be the gold logo with the black, or it's going to be the brown with the black logo. They are completely at random, so we can't really pick and choose as to which one you want. So inside of here, it's going to be like a nice leather outside with a suede inside. Inside of here, of course, you're going to get your booklet with all the new trending styles, and you should also be getting your glasses. These specific colors, it's got a Tortoise frame, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and a brown lens. So let me just give you guys some angles. On these, they are semi-transparent, so you can actually see the metal reinforcement on the inside of that. They are plastic on the outside, though. Now, the sizing for these, they are 50 millimeters, so from this point to this point, the lens is 50 millimeters wide. They are 40 millimeters tall, so from this point to this point. And the bridge is 22 millimeters wide, so from here to here. And you got 150 millimeters of temple length. So if you guys like my content, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a great day.